You will need a tripod and a camera with a manual mode setting. Next, you need to wait for the new moon, and this is approximately 2 weeks after a full moon. And you obviously need some clear skies as well. Find a good dark location near you with lightpollutionmaps.info. The darker the color on the map, the better. Once you're at a dark location, get the camera on the tripod and point it in the direction you want to photograph. Start with a wide-angle lens to get as many stars in your shot as possible. Set your camera to manual mode and set your camera to manual focus. Switch off image stabilization. Change your file type to RAW. Set your camera to ISO 6400. Set your aperture as wide as possible, so the lowest f number. If you're using a crop sensor camera, take 300 and divide it by your focal length. Or if you're on a full frame, take 500 and divide it by your focal length once again. So this is basically the millimeter number on your lens. I'm using a 25mm, so the slowest shutter speed I can use is 20 seconds. So I set this to 20 seconds. Set the camera to self-timer, find a bright star or a light on the horizon and manually focus in on it until you can see it clearly. You may have to use the magnifier tool in your camera to see this properly, and you might need some patience as well. Then take a shot. If it's too bright, drop the ISO. If it's too dark, increase the ISO. If your stars are like big blobs, you need to work on your focus. Go back, refocus manually, and then take another shot. Once you get a good shot that's in focus, you should be able to see the stars in the night sky. Now this is a quick video on how to shoot the stars, but if you want a more in-depth video on astrophotography, click on this next tutorial here. And if you want to learn more about apps that will help you shoot the stars and find the Milky Way, click on this video down here. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for tutorials and videos on everything photography every Monday and Thursday. I'll see you next time.